is Tuesday. Let me put you down. I just made this beautiful bowl. Check it out. Uh-oh. I will say today's color is not the prettiest. I put spinach in it in combination with all the other things, and I just knew that it wasn't like enough spinach to turn it green, and it was gonna be weird. Let's taste it. I'm kind of excited. It's still really good, so that's all that matters. Today I thought I would film a day in my life when I actually don't have school. I call these my catch-up days. I have to be productive, and I usually schedule these days so that I have a lot going on because, yeah, they're my days off, but I'm really not off. I'm also working with Fabletics in this video, which I'm super excited about because I just got a bunch of adorable workout clothes from their March collection. I'm gonna leave a link in my description box that takes you guys to the Fabletics site so that you guys can check it out, shop online, sign up to become a VIP member, and get 2 pairs of leggings or bottoms for $24. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the things that I got that I love and get ready to go to my workout class because that's the first thing on my list. It's currently 9:17 and my class is at 11. I'm gonna eat this, try to be productive in the morning, clean the kitchen up, and then get ready to go. Sunday morning waking up. I just got dressed for bar. I'm super excited because I am obsessed with these leggings. These are so fun. They are the seamless leggings from Fabletics. This is by far my favorite fabric from them that they make. I love how comfortable they are and stretchy. These ones have an awesome detail of like a mesh cutout all the way down. And then this set comes with this cute red sports bra with this fun little design. And then the set has a matching jacket, which is perfect because right now it's a little bit too cold. So I can throw this on and then whip it off when I get to class. You can actually see the details way better on this jacket, and I think it's so cute. I love all the cutouts, but it's actually still really warm because it's such a thick material, which I love. These are the other outfits that I got from the March collection. I chose all of the seamless leggings just because they're my absolute favorite, and I think they're so comfortable to wear. This first outfit I actually wore to my workout class last time, and I think it's so cute. They're super high-waisted, it has this fun little detail on the back, and then the top is matching, and it's the same style of the top that I'm wearing right now, which is super comfortable. I just love how high-waisted these leggings are because then I can wear it with a sports bra top without feeling like I'm showing too much skin. I'm also obsessed with this pattern. I love the gray and white with the little stars mixed in. I just think it's really cute because sometimes your workout clothes just get so mundane and boring, and I love this because it still has neutral colors and goes with everything, so I could even wear this with black leggings if I wanted to. But then if I want to be fun and feel good about myself, I can spice it up, wear this set. I think it's adorable. This set is super fun. This top is one shoulder and it's actually got 2 layers in it, so it's super supportive. These leggings are so cool. They've got a nice little gray detail, so I love how these pieces go together, but at the same time, if I wanted to mix and match these, this set would also look amazing together. And then this is the last set that I got. It's got that neon yellow color with the black, and I love these pants. I seriously don't even understand how they come up with such amazing designs every single month. I'm gonna have my link in my description box so you guys can shop Fabletics. You can go on their website and take a quiz that actually helps Fabletics know your style better, which I think is super fun. And then when you go to checkout, you can either check out as a VIP member, which allows you to get 2 pairs of bottoms for $24. Some cool membership perks that you get are access to some exclusive collections, up to 50% off normal retail prices, and you can actually earn points towards getting free gear. Or you can just shop a la carte and buy whatever pieces you're in love with. I seriously am so impressed with the quality of their leggings. I have about 30 minutes until I have to leave, so I think I'm going to clean up my room a little bit and get some things together. Okay, it's time to tackle something on my list that I really don't want to deal with, but that must get done. So a little story time for you guys. Yesterday I was eating carrots and ranch in class for my snack. I decided to put it back in my backpack because I thought the box that it was in was sealed, but it wasn't. And I got ranch all over the inside of my backpack, all over my clicker. This is disgusting. All over my notebook. And I think it got in the bottom of my bag. So I'm going to attempt to clean it out so that it's a little less disgusting. We're gonna fix this. I know this is gonna work with a clicker. Well, you can't really see it, but it's really gross. And it's all like inside of it. This is why I have a case for my clicker. Not only does it prevent it from having like deathly falls in class, but also helps it keep it clean when ranch spills all over the inside of your backpack. And now it smells lemony fresh. The clicker has returned to life, and luckily my notebook is also cleanable. The real question is, what's this gonna do to the inside of my backpack? Oh, there's some more ranch. All right, I think we took care of that to the best of our ability. Comment down below what thing you have either spilled or broken. Some people out there have got to have some crazy stories, and I've actually broken quite a few things. Freshman year, I broke my favorite mug. Tea spilled everywhere. The saddest thing I've broken is this little bowl because they don't make this exact style anymore. You guys can't tell already, I'm low-key sick right now. I'm not actually sick, like I don't feel bad, but I sound terrible and I just have a bunch of congestion in my lungs, which is so fun. And as long as I do my normal activities, then I feel like I'm gonna be fine. Sometimes you just have to take care of yourself, get the blood flowing a little bit, drink lots of water. It's week 9 and everyone's sick and everyone's freaked out about getting sick. I have to leave in literally 5 minutes. I need a water bottle. I think that's it. Let's go see what Katie's up to because we're going to bar together. Hello? Is anybody home?
Hola, señorita.
Good morning. What are you guys doing?
I'm posting a video. TikTok, Kiara. 400,000 views.
500 now.
500,000.
Oh my god, you're famous. How do I become TikTok famous?
Just say,
Zero
here,
things.
just turn the camera on and go, I have a TikTok.
I have a TikTok.
There, that's 800,000 followers.
Hey, baby girl.
What's your name?
Let's talk together.
You got them eyes looking through to the sunrise. It's too easy, man, it's plain to see.
Well, we survived bar. Well, Katie barely did.
Barely did. Oh my god.
That's because she didn't have any food today. And I can't believe it's like almost noon. So she was dying.
I literally.
It was pretty hard class too, honestly.
Well, it wasn't that hard until we started doing the burpees, and then I was like, oh my god, I'm so hot. I thought I was gonna pass out.
I know, and
had
I
to
look
stop.
over at her and I'm like, are you okay?
I thought I was gonna pass out for a second, which is weird because I don't normally get like hot.
It was bad.
That's more of a Kiara thing than a me thing.
That's true. If I
So,
get
don't
overheated,
know
I will
why-
pass out.
I don't know how you didn't get hot in that class. I was
Because
like,
I'm wearing appropriate clothing. We made it to 5th Street and there's this cute little marketplace called Provisions. How nice is it right now? I'm feeling blessed. I really am. Katie and I are back from bar and I just made my official new to-do list for the day of all the other things I have to get done. I'm trying to cross off as many as I can. I need to learn a dance for Derby Days, which is like a fundraiser for Make-A-Wish. Yeah, we're doing a dance and I want to do the senior part, but I've been gone so much with skiing that I haven't been able to learn it. But conveniently, T1's gonna teach me because she's a dancer and she knows the dance. So we're gonna do that, and then right now I'm picking out an outfit for a presentation that I have. T1 made me toast. Aw, she's so pretty. Teach me.
It looks so good.
I look so good.
And you'll sprint through on the
Hey.
clapping. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
2 on each side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then after that you step out, you go circle 1.
More circle. 2.
You step forward and roll your arms up. This is the tricky part.
Okay.
You step down.
Oh, best. Do you have a private dance coach? Because I do. Wait, what? How do you get that without killing yourself? Up. Okay. Roll. Oh. What? What is that supposed to be? I feel stupid.
It's like a you're here and you go up and
Oh, this 1, 2,
around all that power. Clock's ticking. And this is like a ripple thing, so
Yeah.
you just watch the person in front of you.
Oh
Oh my god! Class, I was literally walking class, and I was like, oh, they're in like Baltimore, right there.
So you're good. Goodbye. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run.
Hopefully someone will film this on the vlog cam and then I'll post it on University of Oregon Kalamega. Okay, I'm gonna shower.
It is officially homework time. I'm going to set a timer for an hour and a half of really hyper-focused time, and then I can have a break.
I finished with my goal. I actually worked for 2 hours. I now have to get ready. I'm gonna cross these things off of my list. Basically, I need to blow dry my hair and get ready for my presentation and for Derby Days practice. I need to make dinner and then I have to skirt to practice. So I had plans to make an actual dinner, but we're running out of time because we literally have less than half an hour. I'm gonna try to make like a little mini quesadilla with avocado in it, and it's got hummus, avocado, cilantro, cheese, tortilla, and ground cumin. All right, I've got 5 minutes till I have to be at Derby Days practice. So we are rolling out the door. Oh, the force, okay.
Dark side, dark side.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, the force.
Wait, no, let's start it on like a count already. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got, and then we go.
7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
You can literally hear Maddie screaming the dance moves from all the way over here. I love her. We finished the practice. I think it went well. I feel like I know a little bit more of what I'm doing, and there's my timer to leave. We're gonna have to go change in Lilith. I quick changed and I'm ready to go. Let's do this. I'll see you guys after. I just got done with speaking at Women in Creative Industries Club. Those girls are so nice. I actually had like the most amazing experience. So if you came, thank you so much. And if you asked me questions, thank you so much. I got home, I did a little bit of physics homework, and I'm gonna do some of my physiology of aging homework right now. So I think I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you got to enjoy seeing a little bit into my daily life. I hope you had a wonderful day. I also want to shout out Fabletics for working with me on this video. If you guys want to shop the collection and check out their site, sign up to become a VIP member to get 2 pairs of leggings or any bottoms for $24 if you guys check out the link in my description box. So check it out down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.